Hi guys, welcome to the Beae tutorial series, and in this video, I will introduce how to create a product detail template in Beae page. The product template is self-designed, so you can put and customize any product section from your Shopify store on your page. By selecting and customizing any kind of product section, you can show necessary product info and promote it on any product page and non-product page. So let's begin. This is the main interface when you open the Beae app. Click on the product parts in template section. No doubt, there are two parts. Create a new template that you need to distinguish. This one is for the default template for all the product, and the other is for specific product. We will find out more later. To create a template full of information, you can select one from any kind of basic section structure, or simply choose one of pre-designed template of the app. For example, let me show you how to create a specific template. Just by drag and drop element from the vertical toolbar, you can easily design a product detail template that matches customer needs. Casually, a complete product detail template will not include all the information of the product. In fact, social network users and online shopping lovers only pay attention to details such as price, selling percent, delivery variant, review from who has purchased the product, and so on. Other things that relate to the product or your store information should still appear on the template. In general, you should balance the sections that appear on it to be most appropriate for a customer. Now, when you have the most basic element, you can customize them in the toolbar along the other side. Just like you customize the section in Shopify's Customize theme, you can also customize the display interface to the action of each element. Another thing to pay attention to is the interface in other devices. Customer can use any device to access your store, so you have to customize each interface accordingly. Click here and you can see in each device how will your interface look. Click here to see the specific manage breakpoint. The matrix next to is information about the specific size in pixels of the display screen. All sections will not be lost, but you should still customize them a little bit to best suit customer need. And this is the attention part that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Now I will show you how to distinguish the two create a template one. The difference here is with each part. When you're finishing, you can see the publish or the save button. You can find out more by clicking on the settings section by each function item.
At the default one, you can't edit any sections, which means you will not be able to apply them to separate products. But with the custom template, the setting of name, function, navigation, but must be filled up for single template assigned.
At this apply for part, you can choose the product or the collection that your template best fit. When finished, you can save on the chain, click publish or save, and then live view to see your live page. Yeah, it's absolutely nice. This theme will be applied to all products of your store. After publishing, you can return to Shopify Live Themes Customize. As you can see, the templates have been saved and also can be edited more right here. And that's all our video tutorial. What do you think about it? Please let me know if you have any question by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more new tutorials. Thanks for watching.